Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Here you can see that each square measures 5 centimeters and the fabric is 75 centimeters wide. We only need to sew these 12 squares to complete this part. Next, we'll sew the squares in order, starting from 1 all the way to 5. Now, let's carefully sew all of these squares together. Now, looking at the petals we made from each square, sew each corner to its matching colour. Now, carefully sew all the colours, making sure each petal is the same size. Be careful to align the main pattern lines perfectly. Following the same method, sew all the sections together. Next, let's sew the 2 new petals we made together. Now, sew all 4 sides carefully, just like this. Once everything is sewn, now sew each corner of the square to the colour of its corresponding section. Make sure to sew the corners of the central square carefully, so the middle flower turns out beautifully. Now, sew all 4 corners following the same method. I'm not speeding up the video, so you can follow along and sew these parts with me. Now, sew the 4 main directions that form a plus shape, following the lines of the pattern. Once one side is sewn, we'll sew the remaining 3 directions in the same style. Now let's focus on the corners. Make sure to sew the square corners carefully so the shape turns out neat and precise. Exactly like in the picture, make sure the pattern lines face each other so that new squares are formed. As you can see, we're sewing around the entire design. Now let's cut off the 4 extra corners. Next, we'll cut a piece of fabric to match the size of the entire design for the back of the cushion. Now, sew the hidden zipper following the method from our previous videos. Now, sew the other 3 sides of the fabric. Now, trim the 4 corners of the cushion so the points become sharper when we turn it inside out. Now, turn the cushion inside out. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial.